We have installed WordPress, did some settings and installed some cool plugins. Now it is time to give our website a beautiful look, and for that we have to install a theme, and I found no better theme than Astra. It has free as well as paid versions, but in this video I'm going to tell you how you can customize free Astra theme to suit your website. What you need to do, you need to watch the video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. To install Astra theme, we need to log into our WordPress admin dashboard, which looks like this. And now we need to add a theme, which you will find under the appearance tab and selecting themes. Just click on that. Okay. Now we need to click on the add new. Now here you will find a search bar. Just type Astra. Now here we have got our theme. It is Astra, and here it is a button given install. Just click on that and wait while it installs. Now it has been installed successfully. Now it is time to activate the Astra theme. Just click on the activate. Now the Astra theme has been activated, but it is not looking good, which you can check here. So we need to customize it. For that, click on the get started button given here. Here first you need to select the page builder. So if you don't know what is page builder, this is the you can say it is plugin which helps you to create beautiful looking pages and posts. You can edit and beautifully you can customize any of that. So select your favorite page builder. Mine is Elementor, so I am selecting Elementor. Now we have selected Elementor as our page builder. Now it is time to select a template. So if you are going to create an e-commerce website or just blog, select here. Here, for example, we are going to create a blog, so we will select blog. Okay, so wherever you see this tag agency, okay, so all these are paid, means you have to spend some money, some bucks to buy that template. But in this tutorial I'm customizing the free version of Astra, so I am selecting the free version of blog template, which is this. You can also preview your home page, blog page, contact page. You can see here. Now if you are satisfied with the view, you can import the complete website. Or if you just want to import some specific template like contact, blog or home, you can import contact. If you want to import blog only, you can import here. Okay, but we are going to import the complete website. Now we just need to click on the import complete site. Okay, just wait. So here it is asking to update the plugins. We will do it later, so we will skip and import the website. Now click on the import button. While it imports the complete website, you need to wait and don't close this tab. So congratulations, your website has been imported successfully. To view the changes, you can visit your website. Your website's look has been changed. Okay, you can see it here, but it is definitely not your data nor your website. Your logo is not here, your social media links are not here, your defined page is not here, not your photo. Whatever changes you want to make on your website, you can do. Just follow my steps. Okay, so now you have to click on the customize button. Here is the customization interface. Whatever you want to customize, just click on that. Like you need to change the logo. Okay, like you need to change the these links, menus, social media icons, pictures, text, whatever you want to change. First we need to change the global settings. Okay, first the typography. What is typography? Typography means the kind of fonts you want on your website. Okay, like headings. So here is the base typography. You can choose the font family. Okay, size you can choose. So all these settings are related to text or fonts on your website. Once you are done, you can save it. Now the headings, like headings means the H1 to H6 headings, how your headings should appear on your website, what will be the font, what will be the size, and also the weight. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, you can change the settings here. The next thing is the colors. So what colors you want on your website to be global, means everywhere on your website it will be shown. Like how your text color will be shown, theme colors, link colors. Link color means like this. This is a link. Okay, link hover color. If there is a link on a website, if mouse goes on that, how it should change the behavior. Okay, heading color, background color. So these are the base colors of your website which will appear everywhere on your website. So these are the global settings. Third one is the container. So what will be the container? You can change it here. Container means the width of your website. What will be your layout? Full width stretched, content. Okay, so you can change it here in the container. Fourth one is the buttons. How your buttons should appear on your website. It's like this. This is a button. Okay, so you can change the color, border, button text. Okay, padding means the distance between the margin and the element. Okay, now the next thing is the header. Okay, Under header you will find one option that is site identity. Here you can change your logo. Favicon means this icon which appears here on the tab. Okay, site title, whatever your title is, you can change it here. Tagline, you can change it here. Okay, to change the logo, just click on the change logo and upload your own logo here, but keep in mind the dimensions. Okay, the second option is primary header. How your website should look like this. This is the layouts. Okay, you can change it here. Default layout is this, and you can change to your own style. The next thing is the primary menu. You can change how the menus will appear on your website. Now the next thing is the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are the series, means if you are from the home page to your category, now your post title. It is beneficial for the SEO, search engine optimization. We will cover this topic in another video. Next thing is the blog. Okay, blog archive, how your blog archive will appear on your website. How will be your single post appear on the website? So here is an example of your single post, okay, on which is default. So your single post will look like this. The next thing is the sidebar. Sidebar means if you want to add some cool widgets, you can add here, which will appear like this. Now the next thing is the footer. It is footer widgets. If you want to add some widgets like social media icons, which will appear here. Okay, you can change it here. Footer bar, like this. The default is this. You can change it to this. If you don't want footer bar to appear here, you can click on this. Footer bar will be disappeared from here. Now the menus, widgets, homepage settings, additional CSS. Menus are the list of links like this: home, blog, contact. It is a menu. Okay, so you can create new menu if you want to add your own menus, or just want to change this, you can change it here like this. Just click on the primary menu, and if you want to make any change, you can change it here. Blog, contact. Okay, so if you want to add your own items, you can add it here. Okay, next thing is the widgets. Okay, so select the position where you want to add or remove or edit any widget. In the header we are seeing that there is one widget which is social media icons. So just click on that, and if you want to make changes to this, just click on the Astra social profiles. Just click on that, and if you want to change the links here, you can change. If you want to add your Facebook page link here, you just click on the add item. Okay, in the add icon you will see a drop down menu like this. Okay, so put the Facebook link here, and also choose the icon from here. If you are not getting the icon here, you can also search it here, Facebook. Okay, click on that and press enter, and the changes will appear on here. But one thing I want to mention here, that whatever changes you are making, don't forget to publish it, because if you don't publish it, it will not appear on your main website. So after making the changes, click on the publish button. And also if you want to see the look of your website on different devices like tablet or mobile phones, you can change it here. Like if you want to see the changes on mobile device, just click on that. So on the mobile, your website will look like this. Okay, on tablet it will appear like this. Now this was how you can customize your website, like changing logos, changing the social media profile icons, and the site descriptions. Now if you want to make changes to home pages, like we don't want to see the picture here, change the pictures here, change the text here, you can click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, just click on that and wait for Elementor to open. Now here the Elementor has been opened, and if you want to make changes to anything, just click on that box. Okay, here. Now if you want to change the text, just click here and change the text. So whatever changes you want to, move your cursor to that place, to that element, and automatically an option to edit that element appears. Just click on that and make the changes here. So likewise, if you want to change this picture, so how will we change this picture? Just click on the edit button, edit section button, which will appear on the top of that box. Just click on that. Okay, and our layout will be open like this. Okay, just go in the style button, and here you will see that image. If you want to change the image, just click on the choose image, and from the media library you can select any image which has been uploaded on your website. Okay, if you want to upload some new file, you can upload it here. Okay, in this way you can customize your pages. So whatever changes you want to make, just click on that element and edit that page, which is very easy with Elementor. So in this way you can customize your free Astra theme, which is very easy. And if you have any doubt, just comment down below. You can also contact me on my Twitter page.
If you learned something, don't forget to give us a like. If you have any suggestion or query, do comment down below. And most important thing is to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any cool video on WordPress in the future. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.